A good sign, a good, really good sign for Castor team. I can see in the chart. I will tell you exactly where the good sign that I saw and where the price will go in this week. In this video, this is really important sign that I could see for Castor team. And I will do a recap about the price and what happened in coming 2 days before we end the trading session. So before we go video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video with me, Trading Jesus. I will tell you guys, be patient and let's hunt for exact price value. So without further ado, without BS, let's go jump right to it. So as we can see here, the price is been consolidating a lot and it's been there for a while right now. And as we can see, we tested the price around the 50. As I told you guys, the 50 really important level to test, but unfortunately we closed it below, and we still holding like this technical level. We talked about it before. We don't close below it, and at 0.45. And as we can I can see here, the price been consolidating at the same price. But look with me closely, this is really important guys. The price been consolidating around the 0.47, and this is a really good indication the volume is picking up, you guys. Look with me, this is really important. We've been trending down in the negative since the 19th of March. Now we get at the zero, so we are actually above the it's not in negative, but now we are in the zero exactly. We're not in positive, so now it's the turning point. Because as I can see in the big picture, as we can see here, look with me, the price is still coiling up. The momentum for us is going up, still below the zero for the big picture. Because as I told you, the small picture, the big picture need time to show up, to show what in the small picture have the sign, because the sign in the small picture show up really quickly, but is not like more genuine. The big pictures are almost have the exact price and more important sign for than the small picture. But the small picture give us a bit of indication and a bit of sign. That's why I never take one sign, but I take collective of sign to give me more sure way of my decisions. So as I told you, the price been consolidating and the volumes is picking up and going up. This is good, and the price is still there, because we can see here there's a big rejection area around this, the 50 cent, and we can see our exponential movement average coil down here on us. So now we's forming this kind of squeezed price around this area. Look with me, guys, this is really important. Look with me, this is really good. Here we can see the lower low for CTRM is around the 42 precisely, and we have the higher highs. We doing higher highs here, and we testing a lot the zero above the 0.50, and with the price been squeezed now. The price been squeezed and the volume's been picking up. So what I can see now by these 2 days, really important, if we have a closing candle at least above our exponential average here, will be great, guys, around the 0.52 here, in order to actually go again around the 0.55 and test again the 0.55, because another resistant level around this level. At least we need a candle to close by the next week to test this level to go up again. to see a pickup in momentum, because now I can see the momentum and volume indicators show there's a big buying pressure and the momentum it change. And our chart, it shows that there's a bin squeeze. We doing higher highs from here, from the last 13th of April, and we've been squeezing up. We did this spike to test the price up. So it's good. Now we just waiting to see this candle here to close above. Look with me. Perfect. We need a candle to close here and to give us the first sign for a Castor team to change in a price and explode from there. We need the first sign, at least a candle closing here and not there. So we don't need a candle closing here, and the 44 and below our line here will be a bad indication, and because still we're not clear yet here in the big picture, and the volume is still below the zero and the negative. So yeah, we need indication for a candle closing above, and our volume indicator in the big picture go to turn in positive in order to see the higher high and test the 55 first, and then we have a better rejection. If we have a big volume and we don't have a test candle like this wick, we're gonna see the price go above the 55 and close above the 55. This is really important to go higher. This is really important. And if we have a closing candle here, we're gonna see the 42. This is really bad if we have a closing candle below our line here, and this is mean we're gonna see at least the 35 cent for Castor team. So this is a turning point for Castor team, because the price been in the verge to turning point. So we'll see. I will update you guys each day by Castor team, because now I can see the turning point is really near. So watch out, be ready, and always told you guys, never be paranoid or paralyzed, because this is one of the sign that you don't have a strategy and you don't have a clear exit strategy, or like you don't know, you don't have the set of ideas about where you get out or get in, or you not have a much believe in the stock in the first place. So this is more in the clear indication to ask yourself this question: why you bought at the first place, and when you get out. And the third is where you want to take your profit, where like you want to see. Are you like holding for 1 year, 2 years, or 1 month? Because if you're holding for 1 year, 2 year, why you're afraid, why you're panicking? Even the price go to 35 cents. You're holder for 5 years, 6 years, so the small time frame will never affect you. If you have a strategy and you know that like the stock that you investing in, you invest in the future at least for 5 years, why you're panicking then? So it's like few months is down, this is normal. Like if you never been in stock market before, welcome to stock market. This happen every time. So never panic, and always have a strategy and clear indication in the future, so you never panic in a little time frame like we can see here. So guys, as I told you, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, daily video, and stay tuned to my second episode for my trading course for the next weekend. I'm gonna talk about everything that I'm talked right now about setting goals and exit and entering strategy and everything. So as I told you guys, hopefully you have a nice day, and until meantime, stay ready to hunt, and see you guys.